Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video I'm gonna show you how to find free copyright in the screen, and you can also use them in any application you edit. Let's start. End screen are a powerful tool which can help extend watch time on your channel by directing viewers to something next at the end of your videos. You can add them to the last 5 to 20 seconds of a video and they appear on both desktop and mobile. End screen allow you to promote up to 4 elements. First, open your browser. Then go to pixabay.com. In this step, change the category to videos. Then search end screen. After that, choose any end screen you like. For example, let me choose this one. As you can see, you can use it in any projects you have without any problems. Click on free download. In this step, choose your resolution. Then select download. Click on save file. After that, choose OK. Great. Just copy this file and paste it in any application you edit. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or would like me to clarify anything else, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.